Hello, sir.
Yes, hello. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you?
Yes, I'm very good. Yes.
Okay, sir. The last 2 days I was busy with the holidays and also I postponed my class from Friday.
Okay, no problem. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Your
Uh-huh. Yeah, so last time
past
we did,
indefinite
yeah, and simple present perfect continuous, sir, not simple. Present perfect
story of a
continuous.
crow.
Yeah, story of a crow.
Hmm.
And present perfect continuous, sir. First that I will read some sentences. I have. Uh, that's still a bit confusing for me, but I'm managing.
Okay.
Present perfect continuous.
Hmm.
Uh, so simple sentences, and then I have written some questions.
Okay.
I have been waiting for her since morning.
Hmm.
She hasn't come
Yet. Hmm.
yet. Yet.
Hmm.
He has been studying hard recently.
Hmm.
Next sentence. She has been coming late for work.
Hmm.
Then fourth. Children have been playing since 7 o'clock.
Hmm.
Your son has been cutting school for the last 2 months.
Hmm.
Your son has been missing school, right, sir?
Missing actually there is a word for this. Play truant मीन्स स्कूल से भाग जाना बिना बताए.
Oh, your son has been
Playing.
truant.
Playing truant.
Okay. Playing truant school.
From school.
Okay.
Hmm. ड्यूटी से भाग जाना बिना
School
स्कूल
for the
से.
last. Uh-huh. For the last 2 months.
Hmm.
I have been walking since morning. Now my feet are hurting.
Hmm.
He has been teaching English for last 15 years.
Hmm.
Then she has been trying to make baby sleep for an hour. So इसमें क्या? She has been trying to make baby to sleep or only
No,
sleep.
no, don't use to.
Okay.
I'll teach you that use of make. Hmm.
Yeah. She has been trying to make baby sleep
Sleep.
for an hour.
Hmm.
I have been waiting in the queue for hours.
Hmm.
My book have been getting dusty
Hmm.
since I got the job.
Hmm.
Country economy has been getting down. So I got the new word for deteriorating continuously. Uh, so how to write country's economy has been getting down
Hmm.
or any other word. Getting down is okay? No.
No, it's okay, no problem.
We can use that also, no?
Hmm.
For the last 2 years.
Hmm.
I have been
Getting down or going down, same thing.
yeah, going down. She has been selling fruits and vegetables for the last 5 years.
Hmm.
Then we have been saving our 20% of earnings for our children's study.
Hmm.
Is it okay, sir? For our, no? For.
Hmm.
She has been asking me about this recipe for the last 2 days.
Hmm.
We have been complaining about this power cut off to the
She
electricity.
has been.
Sorry. We have been. No.
Okay. You are using
Before.
be. We have been.
We have been complaining about this power cut off
Hmm.
to the electricity board
Hmm.
for the last 2 days.
Hmm.
She has been studying in this school since 2010. I have been trying to recall that poem for my baby
Hmm.
for the last 2 days.
Hmm.
Recalling हो सकता है ना? I have been recalling. No.
Recalling, yeah, means you can say, I've been helping my daughter to learn.
No, मैं वो पोयम याद कर रही थी. करते आ रही हूँ. नहीं.
Hey, what is your sentence?
I have been trying to recall that poem. The
Learn,
sentence was
you can say, frame. Recall, actually, it means when you forget something and you recall it. फिर से याद
okay.
करना भूली चीज को. But here it is not the thing which you are uh, recalling.
Okay,
You
हाँ.
are learning it.
Okay, I'm trying to learn.
Hmm.
Trying to learn that poem for my baby for the last 2 days.
Hmm.
It has been raining since morning.
Hmm.
Since, no sir, it's since.
Yes.
Okay, I have some questions on this.
Hmm.
Well, haven't you been selling your vegetables since morning? Sir, ये correct है sentence?
Hmm. Yes.
Haven't you been selling? I have been. सर मैं आपसे सुबह से देखते आ रहा हूँ कैसे लिखना है? I have been
I have been observing.
observing since morning.
Hmm.
Hasn't that driver been trying to overtake for the last 5 minutes?
Hmm.
5 minutes,
Yes.
trying to overtake, or trying to overtake us
Hmm.
for the last 5 minutes.
Hmm.
For the last 5 minutes or since last 5 minutes?
No, for
Okay.
duration.
Duration.
Hmm.
Haven't you been hearing the cooker whistles for the last 5 minutes?
Hmm.
Why have you been hurting her since yesterday?
Hmm.
Why this plant hasn't been growing for the last 1 month?
Why hasn't that plant?
Why hasn't that plant? Okay.
Hmm.
Where have you been hiding your new phone for these days?
Hmm.
How long have you been riding this horse?
Hmm.
Where have you been paying this bill for this month?
Hmm.
How many times she has been proving herself in this work?
Hmm. Once again.
How many times has she been, right? No, she has been. Just a minute, sir.
No, what do you want to say?
कितने दिन से अपने काम को प्रूव करते आ रही है इस काम में प्रूव करते आ रही है
Hmm.
How many times?
No, for how long
How long
has she been
How long has she been
proving?
proving herself
Hmm.
in this work? Which book have you been writing nowadays?
Hmm.
Okay सर ये क्वेश्चन है
Hmm. Past.
इंडेफिनिट है सर पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में मैंने क्वेश्चन एंड नॉर्मल सेंटेंस कंबाइंडली लिखे हैं He injured badly.
Hmm.
The doctor examined carefully. Doctor examined him
Her or him?
him
Hmm.
carefully. Did you see that accident?
Hmm.
I didn't see that. I didn't see it.
Hmm. I didn't see that. Not it.
That.
Hmm. It means right now. That
Yeah.
means
That means that one.
that time. Huh.
I got this job luckily.
Hmm.
There were so many candidates attended for the interview.
Hmm.
Why didn't you come for the interview? Why didn't you come for the interview?
Hmm.
I didn't come because I didn't prepare for the interview, she replied.
Hmm.
ये ठीक है ना सर?
Hmm.
Okay. Did she buy that new book?
Hmm.
From where did she buy that book?
Hmm.
I didn't know because I was not with her.
Once again.
So first, that means you can say first one is asking the question: did she buy that new book?
Mm-hmm.
From where did she buy that book?
Okay.
The second one replied, I didn't know that as I was not with her.
Hmm.
और I was not मैं उसके साथ नहीं थी उसके लिए वही बोल सकते हैं ना.
Mm-hmm.
How long did the meeting continued?
Hmm.
Continue or
Continue.
ed?
Continue. We
Only no d because first form of verb, right? So first.
because you are using did.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Why he did lie to me?
Why
This is
he lied to me? Yes.
when did she return from the Delhi?
Hmm.
I wanted to order sweets from there.
Hmm.
Ordered or order?
Order.
Order.
V1.
Okay. In which hotel did she organize a party?
Hmm.
We had got the invitation, but we didn't go. So we had got or we got the invitation?
We got.
We got the invitation, but we didn't go.
Hmm.
Why did that reporter gather around her?
Why did?
That reporter gather around her.
Hmm.
Did she do anything wrong?
Hmm.
Did she do right? No.
Did she do?
Anything wrong? So you were correct, है क्या?
Ah, yes.
The boy was topper in his class.
Hmm.
He made good use of time.
Hmm.
He didn't join any private tuition
Hmm.
and focused on self-studies
Very good. Hmm.
and achieved that success.
Hmm.
Achieved, right sir? Achieved.
Yes. Yes.
ED.
Yes.
I heard his speech on radio yesterday.
Hmm.
He discussed many important issue about the current
Issues.
issues.
Hmm.
Many important issues about the current Indian politics.
Hmm.
Did you hear that?
Hmm.
What did you think about that?
Hmm.
I thought his observation is correct.
Hmm. Is or was?
I thought his observation was correct.
Hmm.
Was. तो इस भी हो सकता है ना अभी बात कर रहे तो नहीं was
Because
observation
past.
उसका
Because it is past. I thought.
ओके
तो सोचा तो आपने तभी ना.
हाँ हाँ
So it should be in past.
ओके from where did you get this book?
Hmm.
I searched a lot yesterday
Hmm.
but I didn't get it.
Hmm.
I told the helper to keep all the books and toys properly on its original place. सर ये on its original place correct है क्या on?
Mm-hmm. So
But she said yes and forgot as usual.
she.
Said yes and forgot. इसने हाँ बोला और yes
She.
said
Okay. Okay. She said.
yes and forgot as usual.
Okay.
सर और कुछ है क्या दूसरा कुछ
Yes.
लिखा?
Yes. You can say she replied in affirmative but forgot.
Okay, she replied yes. Okay, she said and forgot as usual. Okay. Okay, sir. ये questions of the past indefinite के and story. Story I have written, sir. So should I read the story?
Okay.
There was a crow in a forest.
Hmm.
In the forest,
Hmm.
who was very thirsty.
It was.
Sorry. It was very thirsty.
Hmm.
It was moving in search of water.
Hmm.
After some time,
Oh, instead of moving, flying.
flying.
Hmm.
It was flying in search of water.
Hmm.
After some time, it saw a pitcher
Hmm.
under the tree.
Hmm.
It got happy. Sir, ये correct है क्या?
Yes.
It sat on the pitcher to drink. So to drink a water or to drink water?
To drink.
To drink a water.
Remember one thing. After 2, it is always V1.
After
2. 2 के बाद हमेशा
okay, okay.
यूज करेंगे.
Mm-hmm.
It may be any tense.
After 2, it was
2 is always followed by V1. Like I say, I wanted to go there. It is in past, but after 2 it is V1. You cannot say I wanted to went there. No. I wanted to go there.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
But it sat on the pitcher to drink the water. But then he realized that water level is very low. Water level was very low. It got nervous. Then it got an idea to brought the water level up. It started dropping stone one by one in a pitcher. Into the pitcher. Oh, yes. Then it observed that water level was coming up. Water level is coming up. It continued the process of dropping the stones. Finally, water level reached up to. Sir, I want to write.
Reached the top. Or water level came up.
And it drank the water. It drank the water.
It drank water, not the.
Drank water. Okay, sir. इतना ही लिखा है.
Okay. And flew away.
Sorry?
It flew away.
Yeah, it flew away.
Okay. Now your homework should be make questions.
Yeah, I have written some questions on
the
story.
Okay. Make questions from the story. Make questions from the story. Like
where did
who was thirsty? Who was thirsty?
Okay.
What did crow do? Like this.
So I have written some 3-4 questions on story.
Okay, you have written?
Yeah.
Okay.
You told me last time actually.
Okay.
What did it do to bring the water level up?
Just wait for a moment. Yes.
What did it do to bring the water level up?
Yes.
It started dropping the stones in a pitcher. Then, what did it realized when he saw the pitcher?
Very good.
Then, what did it saw under the tree?
What did it see? Not see.
What did it see? Oh. Under the tree. It saw a pitcher. Why the crow was flying in the forest?
Hmm.
Uh, it was flying in search of water.
Hmm.
So 4, 5 questions.
Okay. Well tried. Hmm.
Yeah. ठीक है. सर
Oh.
सी का कंटिन्यूस लेवल नहीं हो सकता क्या? सीइंग
Hmm.
होता है.
Hmm.
होता है बट यूज नहीं करते ना.
Well, you may use no problem,
ओके.
but usually it's not very common.
या.
Like we say, मैं देख रहा हूँ. Actually, it is not used. How or why I tell you? Because actually, if you say I'm looking at the word, I'm looking at the blackboard, or I'm looking at that man, means मैं देख रहा हूँ. तो particularly when you are looking means किसी चीज को देख रहे, we use look at him, look at him, देखो उसको. Don't
हाँ.
look at him, उसको मत देखो. तो
हाँ.
देखने के लिए look आ गया.
हाँ.
Sometimes we say इस फिल्म को देखो, watch this film.
वॉच.
तो उसमें look नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि look means होता है एकदम देख के फिर नजर हटा लेना. मतलब उसको अपन वैसे नहीं देखते जैसे मूवी को देखते हैं. तो वॉच दिस मूवी, आई वॉच्ड अ मूवी लास्ट नाइट. अब लुक्ड नहीं बोलेंगे वहां, आई लुक्ड अ मूवी. रॉन्ग, आई वॉच्ड अ मूवी. तो सीइंग होता नहीं है यूजुअली. आई एम वॉचिंग. तो सीइंग नहीं होगा. आई एम सीइंग अ मूवी, आई एम वॉचिंग अ मूवी. आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम, मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ. या फिर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं हम देखने के लिए. आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग. सीइंग
या.
होता नहीं है.
हाँ. तो
आई
बाकी
हैव
तो सब
सीन
है.
तो कह सकते हो. आई हैव सीन दैट मूवी.
आई हैव सीन. यस.
आई हैव सीन, आई हैव वॉच्ड. वॉच्ड का मतलब था आपको अभी भी याद है, इसलिए हम बोला आई वॉच दैट मूवी लास्ट नाइट. मतलब आपको स्टोरी याद है. ओ यस, आई सॉ दैट मूवी लास्ट टाइम. मीन्स आपको देखी तो है, ये याद है, मगर उस पिक्चर में क्या था, उस मूवी में क्या था, दैट यू डिडंट रिमेम्बर. तो इसलिए मैंने बोला आई सॉ दैट मूवी लास्ट ईयर. ओ यस, आई वॉच दैट मूवी फ्यू डेज बैक. इट मीन्स आपको भी याद है वो.
अच्छा.
ये रेफरेंस है. हम्म.
ओके.
ओके. एनीथिंग एल्स?
अभी तो इतना है बट हाँ. तो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस में कल परसों में और सॉरी नॉट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में.
Hmm.
So tomorrow I'll do more study and again I'll ask some questions.
Okay. So let's take another past continuous. Past continuous, it's very simple. General formula for this is was, and we use were, and we use V4 in plus object. This is the general formula. Like I was working on my computer before you called me on Skype.
Yeah.
Simple. I was working on some topics, or I was preparing some topics. Or simply I can ask you, what were you doing when I rang you up? What were you doing when I rang you up? जब मैंने आपको कॉल किया तो आप क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? I was cooking food. I was reading a book. I was playing with my daughter. Like this. So it is very simple. We use was with I. Remember this.
Yeah. I was.
I was, she was, he was,
You
they
were.
were, you were, we were. We were playing in the ground. Why were you playing there? With whom were you playing? किसके साथ खेल रहे थे आप? With whom? With whom were you playing? We were playing with our friends. So like this. So it is very simple tense. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, I was working on my computer before you called me. So everything is in past tense, right? Called me.
Yes. Past continuous, but when it is connected with some other sentences, these sentences should be in past because you are talking about past.
Past, yes.
Like
What were you?
we'll take that topic later, not now. It is very important in speaking. As we say, I asked him. Usually say, I said to him, what is your name? He said to me, my name is this. But when we speak, usually people speak in the same manner, but I don't prefer it. Suppose I say, I said to him, what is your name? He said to me, my name is Rita.
That is
But
55.
but how we should speak in speaking? I asked him what his name was. I asked him what his name was. I have written. I asked him what his name was. He replied, his name was Ramesh.
Yeah.
We'll take that topic later, not now.
Okay, sir.
After tense, we'll take. It is not important right now.
Connecting. Okay,
So,
fine.
past continuous,
Yeah.
it is very simple, not very difficult. You can make sentences on it. Now, let's take something, a kind of new use. Has to plus have to means has to have to. You know this has to have to.
I have to go there. I
Yes,
have to go there. I mean, मुझे जाना है.
we'll discuss that.
Okay.
Subject plus have, has plus to plus V1 plus object. Like means when we say करना पड़ता है, करना ही होता है. Like I have to get up early in the morning. मुझे उठना पड़ता है या उठना है या उठना होता है. Like this. I have to get up early in the morning. या मुझे जाना है. आज मुझे बाजार जाना. I have to go to market today. I have to go to market today. आज मुझे बाजार जाना है. I have to go to market today. She has to learn. She has to learn her lesson today. उसको पढ़ना है. She has to learn. Sometimes we make it negative. We use do does. Subject plus doesn't, don't plus have to. But we always use have to. whether it is singular or plural.
or plural. Okay.
Like she doesn't have to go there. उसको वहां नहीं जाना है. She doesn't have to go there. I don't have to go there. I don't have to learn this. I don't have to go there.
She doesn't have to. For everything we have to use have
Yes,
in the negative.
yes. I don't have to go there. She doesn't have. She doesn't have to go there. She doesn't have to learn her lesson. Like it may be in question, where do you have to go today? Where do you have to go today? तुम्हें आज कहाँ जाना है? Where do you have to go today? या आप कभी कभी कहते हो आज स्कूल नहीं जाना क्या? Don't you have to go to school today? क्या आज स्कूल नहीं जाना?
Don't you have
आज
to
ऑफिस नहीं जाना क्या? Don't you have to go to office today? I have to go to office, but I have to go to my office little late. Not now. Like this.
Yeah. सर इसमें जरूरी मतलब करना है बट इट्स नॉट लाइक करना ही है. इट्स नॉट मस्ट राइट. जाना पड़ता है जाना है मतलब जाना ही है.
में तो मस्ट यूज कर सकते हैं आप.
हाँ बट ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
यस नो प्रॉब्लम. यही करिए. डोंट यूज मस्ट.
मस्ट ओके.
आई हैव टू गो. बट इसमें थोड़ा सा पोलाइट अगर हो जाते हैं
हाँ दैट्स यस सर.
तो इसमें
मस्ट
फिर एक्चुअली सपोज आई से you have to do this work. This is little, it's not very polite. You have to do this means I am strict with you. Suppose I am your boss. I can say you have to complete this task today. आपको करना है ये. But when you are polite with your boss, suppose you are talking to your boss, you are talking to your friends, you are talking to your mother, you are talking to your husband or anybody who is respected or where you are little polite, then we don't use has to or have to. We use is, am, are to.
ओके.
Like suppose I say when you invite someone to your birthday, तो आप कैसे बोलते हो? अरे आपको आना है मेरी बर्थडे में. आप you don't speak like that. आपको आना है. You don't speak like that.
Yeah.
Have to attend. No, it's wrong.
पोलर.
Yeah, you are to attend my birthday. I don't know anything. You are to attend. Means have to से polite आ गया. You are to attend my birthday. आपको मेरी बर्थडे अटेंड करना है. Like this. It is polite.
This is just simple head. Okay.
So this is past continuous and
Yeah.
has to have to. And a story. A story of a king. I'm going to speak that story in past. There was a king. He had 3 sons. And All the three sons, they quarreled with one another all the time. The king was very much worried for them. One day king fell sick. देखिए, fall sick का मतलब होता है बीमार पड़ना,
Hmm.
बीमार पड़ जाना, बीमार गिरना, बीमार हो जाना.
Hmm.
Fall sick. So one day the king fell sick. बीमार हो.
Right.
He
Past
was,
tense.
yes, he was on his bed. That time he called his sons in his room. When they entered the room, or when they entered the king's room, they saw a bundle of sticks tied up with a rope lying on a table. The king asked his eldest son to break the bundle, but he couldn't. Then king asked his next son to break the bundle. He couldn't either. Then the king asked his youngest son to break the bundle. He couldn't break it. Then king untied the bundle and asked his son to break each stick one by one. This time he broke all the sticks one by one quite easily. Then the king told them or taught them a lesson that the unity always has strength. So this is the story, past tense.
Unity always has
It has strength.
strength. Yeah.
Unity always has strength. So be unite
Yeah. It's a lesson.
and
Lesson.
live together. Don't quarrel with one another like this.
Okay.
So this is the story of a king. You have to do it. You have to prepare. You have to speak.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. So let's speak or discuss something. If you want to ask me anything, you can ask, or I am going to ask.
Okay. I ask you. I written some questions, sir,
Okay.
but I written myself. So, which country do you like to visit most?
I like to visit UK
Okay.
and particularly England.
Okay. So, what is the different from other country?
Yeah, actually, England, as I've been an English teacher, and
Yeah.
English is the language which is spoken all over the world. That is from England.
Yeah.
That is their mother tongue.
That's true, sir.
So I like to visit England to learn
Learn.
English from English people.
Yeah, that's true, sir.
Yes,
That is also my interest, sir, to learn the English. I mean, some from different countries people, just to understand their different accent.
yes.
Yeah, but basic English, sir, that is we have to learn by ourselves.
Actually, you can learn accent, their culture, and everything.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Mm. Which fruit do you like to eat most?
I like almost all fruits. I don't like mango,
Oh, okay, sir.
or you can say I don't eat mango. I like mango, but I don't eat mango because it's difficult for me to digest.
Yes, sir, it's high in sugar also.
Yes. So, but I like all other fruits like banana, orange, many other fruit, or everything I like in fruit except mango.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So what do you think about current smartphone technology? I mean, do you think students should use that?
If it is important for them, they must use it. But actually, whenever new thing is invented, it always has the bad and good sides.
Good sides, yeah.
But it is up to us how we use it, whether we want to use it for betterment or for something creative. As you know, smartphone, it is very good for me.
Yeah,
Because if suppose even I am out of my home, I am always in touch with my students
yeah,
because I am always online. So if I get any message, I can reply. As the very first time I talked to you, that time I
yeah.
was out of my home,
Yes, sir.
but I was able to talk to you because I had smartphone with me. It is useful for me. But it
Yeah.
depends on person to person actually.
Person, how they are
Need
using.
it
Yeah.
or they don't need it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So it is up to you. But it is good actually.
Yeah,
But
smartphone is
you'll
good.
be surprised to know I never use WhatsApp
Okay, why, sir?
because I don't like to use it. In the beginning when I got it, it was installed there, but I disabled it. Because my relatives, my son,
Yeah. So many.
brother-in-law, everybody is on WhatsApp. They have made groups and all.
Yes,
All the
yeah.
time they are sending
Messages, yeah.
messages. Hello, good
Status.
morning. This,
Yeah.
that. I don't have that much time to see all these things. All the time it disturbs me. Tintin, then I have to see what is it. It means if you are doing something and if you something is disturbed like this, you check it. When you check it, you unnecessarily waste your time.
Yeah, that's true,
Reply.
sir.
When somebody
Reply and
send you any message like good morning, you have to answer it good morning. And you are wasting your time and you are distracted from
yeah, that's
your
true,
work.
sir.
From your work. That's why I don't use WhatsApp.
Yeah, I was about to ask your for WhatsApp number, sir, because sometime I had to message you like, but okay, I already told you
Because actually it
you
is
are not
disabled.
using.
No, you can take my phone number instead. Because actually I don't use WhatsApp. Even I have
Okay,
got some of my students outside in South Africa and all this time. They call me directly.
okay.
That this is the me they want to have their class or whatever the message they want
Yeah, yeah.
to delay or so it is better actually.
So Skype is also better, sir, because you are replying all the time. That is, I mean,
Yeah, because actually I am online
yeah,
most of the
because of smartphone. That is okay,
yeah.
sir.
But sometime actually the smartphone doesn't show the message. Sometimes
Yeah,
it happens because of network connectivity.
yeah.
But
Mm-hmm.
most of the time, 80 to 90% of the time, I get the message.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Sometimes it happens. Hmm.
What type of story books? Do you read story books? I mean books?
I don't read story books, but I read motivational books.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. What types of books do you like to read? Yeah.
I've read many, like Stop Worrying, Live Your Life Happily,
Yeah.
uh,
Motivational books.
Magic of Thinking Big, बड़ी सोच का बड़ा जादू, like
Yeah.
चिंता छोड़ो सुख से जियो. And now I have understood what life is, how you have to go with it. When you know that this is this, you are not worried. You are worried because either you don't want to know the facts or you don't know the facts. You are worried. If suppose you are going on a path and when you don't know where that path leads to, you are worried. Oh, where I am going? I don't know that way. But either you don't know, you are worried, or you don't want to know, you are
Don't want
worried.
to know. Yeah.
You don't know, no problem. But try to know where that path leads. If you understand the things, you will always be happy.
Yeah.
Because you know, the people, they're always worried for success. They're always worried for failure. They don't want to be failure. They want to be successful always. You know, it is not possible because success and failure, they are not in your hand. Success and failure, they are the temporary, they are the temporary results. They are not going to be with you forever. Whether it is success, whether it is failure. If day is there, night is there. When it is night, day is there. So it is the process, success and failure. They both come with you or on your way. But when you understand that success and failure, they are not permanent and you have no control over them. You are not worried. Your aim is just to focus on your work. That's all. I'm doing my work, that's all. Whether I'm failure, I'm successful, I'm for that. Because that is not the end of your life or this is not the last event of your life. If you
Yeah.
are failure, you are in depression. Hmm. Yes, next.
Okay. Sir, in which field, according to you, in which field your daughter should do career? I mean, your
I
kids.
in fact I am not worried for that.
Okay.
As I already told you,
Whatever her interest.
actually she is this time pursuing BCom.
Okay.
BCom honors
Okay.
from MIT University. So second sem. This is second sem. So, but I always teach her, focus on you.
Yeah.
Be a better human being, get knowledge, learn new things, and what you like to do it.
Yeah.
Don't see others that if she is preparing or he is preparing for something or for some exam, you should do that. What you like to do, you do it. If you like to, what I should say, suppose if you like to take photographs, this is just an example.
Yeah. That is very good, sir. Actually,
Now,
very
suppose
good.
if you like to have photographs, take photographs, no problem. Take money
Yeah.
from me, buy a camera from market, a nice camera, good camera for you, and take picture. If you like to do that, you do it.
Yeah.
Means do the work which you like most. Don't
Very
do
good.
the work which others do. But don't,
Yeah.
you may do that, but don't do that because they are doing.
Others are doing. Yeah, that's true, sir.
He
Whatever she
feeling
likes.
I must do it. Oh, this is very nice profession. I must go in that. This is not good.
Yeah, that's true.
People think in that way, and they always force their children to do that. Oh, you see, Mr. Sharma's son is preparing for that. Why don't
Yeah.
you prepare for that? Mr. Sharma's son is a different man or
Yeah.
different person. He or she is a different person, your daughter or your son. You don't have to compare yourself with others. You have to compare yourself with you only. I was this yesterday, now I am better today. I have learned something new today.
Yeah.
Now I am a better man. I don't know, you may be getting bored.
Yeah, yes, I'm getting. Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm getting. So no.
No, no, you may be getting bored by listening my
No, no, sir. No, no, I'm not getting. I'm
because
listening.
sometimes the people think that hmm, what what they think means I realize that sometimes people think that the means I am not practical man, but I am very practical man. In
This is
fact,
actually,
I see the things as they are.
yeah,
Don't make your own perception. It should go like that. It should. If this is the nature of a river to flow, it will flow.
yeah, it will flow that way.
It should flow. There should not be any reason that why it is flowing. It should not flow. It should flow faster. It should flow slower. Why? This is its nature.
Yes,
And
sir.
similarly, the people they have their own nature.
Yeah,
They
that's
should
true.
go in that way only.
Everyone is different. Yes, sir. We cannot change the nature.
So that's why I'm not worried for my daughter.
I'm just asking, sir. Is I mean, which there are so many career options. So which I'm just asking. So which would you like to?
I
I mean,
already
best.
told you.
Yeah, yeah. Just
Never,
let's. Yeah,
I
I know. I
never,
got now.
even she is a very average student, my daughter. But I never actually, what I should say, scold her for getting low marks and all.
Yeah, yeah.
No, but she is quite intelligent. She knows the things better. She understands the things better. But I am not worried for that, and I never actually, scold her or tease her
Yeah.
to get good marks. He's getting. I am not worried.
Yes, yes.
These are the
Yeah.
temporary things.
Yes, sir. Afterward, nobody asks the marks and all. Yeah.
Actually, it doesn't matter if you are a topper, you are going to be the PM of the country.
Yes.
You have to focus on you. You have to be a better human being day by day, every day. This is more important.
Yes, sir. That's true.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so story
Yeah.
tense past continuous has to have to.
Yeah. Has to have to.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
your
Okay, sir.
and when do you want to have your next lesson?
Maybe Friday. Friday. Because I need some time to prepare, sir. Because
Okay, Friday.
yeah, sir. Friday.
Friday means
26.
26th. Hmm?
Is it okay, sir? Friday 26.
Friday means 26th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same time.
Yes, sir. Time. So,
Okay.
yes, sir.
See you on
Yes,
Friday.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.